Brother, man, I really appreciate you coming over, man, right away, because, you know, I've been playing golf all weekend, and I have a polo match tomorrow, and my hip, legs, I just feel so sore and in pain somewhat in my hip area, but sore everywhere else. Okay. So I know if I don't get you to help me out, I probably won't be able to play tomorrow. So I appreciate you taking time out, come right over right away.
No problem. So tell me a little bit more about your hip.
So, you know, I ran earlier, and then it was like, I found it's like, it ain't so bad now, but it's like, it's hard to walk. So I feel it when I walk.
Yeah.
But it's in this hip right here.
You feel like it's muscle, or it feel like it's a little deeper than that?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
To be honest with you.
All right.
It's just,
I'll check you out.
It don't feel good.
Okay.
So
no problem.
And let's see, just for playing golf all weekend, man, just, you know, I just feel like I need to be adjusted.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know you was having, when we first met, you were having like
some wrist issues. Yeah.
Like
my wrist actually is a lot better now. Okay. A lot better now. I did it, you know, I fell off the horse. Remember?
Yeah.
And I fell off the horse, and then I couldn't play golf, but I just played 3 rounds, so I'm good. I'm good on golf now. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. So whatever you did work, it's much better.
That's what I'm talking about. Okay,
all right.
We'll try to check everything out for you, and just try to check on that wrist as well for you.
All right. No problem.
All right. So what you're going to do? I'm gonna just have you lay face down on it. Okay.
All right. Ooh.
What I'm doing right now is just lengthening your spine a little bit. Oh, this feel okay? All right. With this, I'm just getting a sense of feel for his body a little bit, how it takes pressure, how it takes outside force. Oh, you never started it?
No, I did.
I'm weak. No problem. I get him right where you gotta do that.
Position your back, because I don't know how to have position.
On this, just to relax the muscles a little bit. Oh, this feels all right, Miguel? All right, man. How does when I get on your hips and everything with this? Okay, good. And all this that I'm doing is creating space in the spinal cord. You have any pain with that? Yeah. Okay. Now I'm feeding into his joint. Just trying to see how much give it have. Also gives me a good idea of how deep, or how much force to use on somebody. Deep breath, Miguel. Let it all the way out.
I feel a little pain on this side.
Mm-hmm. On this one?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. I feel that right up in there. So I actually got to shift his rib cage a little bit. Trying to figure out which way. Gotcha. Okay. Deep breath. Let it out. There you go. There you go. How that feel, Miguel? That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I had to shift that rib cage just a little bit. Hopefully you can breathe a little freer after that. I should get a little bit higher with it too. Just a little bit. I'm trying to give me a deep breath. This would be light. Let it out. There you go. There you go. That felt okay? That's what I'm talking about. See your shoulder real quick.
My sore shoulder right here.
Okay. How does this feel? What I'm doing?
It's good.
Okay.
That's something to my shoulder.
Okay. No problem. Just moving it fundamentally sound. That's about it. Create a little space up in here too. We're just mobilizing things. Which hip was this? I said, which hip was it? Right side or left side? Huh? Mm-hmm. That's sticking out a little bit more to me. I'm gonna get that second. Let me see your right side real quick. Mm-hmm. Show, facing me. Yeah, there you go. I'll put this up a little bit. There you go. Hey, you need a pillow? Right. You want this pillow under you? Okay. Scoot it towards me. There you go. Just like that. Goosey, goosey, big dog. There you go. That boy smile. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, that hit the spot, huh? Let me get the other side. There you go. Woo. There you go. Hey, like that. Yeah, there you go. Scoot it towards me. There you go, just like that. On your back for me. No, on your back, yeah. I'm gonna actually put this down just a little bit. Lift your head just a little bit. I'm gonna put this under. How'd that feel?
Good.
Okay. Now we're just gonna create a little space in his low back. It's called traction. It's like a little stretch. How your feet been treating you? Okay. But okay. That's what I'm talking about. Mm-hmm. You need me to put that headpiece down a little bit, or you fine like that? Okay.
Slide up, you come in.
You good.
Okay.
Uh-huh. If you need to, take a deep breath in between them. It's all good. Okay. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah.
I got torn meniscus in that knee.
Oh, you do?
So
Okay.
A little bit more
Gentle with it. Okay.
tender, yeah. I guess I'm more sensitive, like protecting it.
Ain't nothing wrong with that. Psychologically, we know what we hurt. How does this feel though? When I'm into it like that? Well, how about when I go into the medial part? Like that? Okay. That's all we doing. Just mobilizing. Yeah. And which wrist was it too?
It was
Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Okay. How's that? more space. That's all right with the elbow. You feel that? Yeah. Just went right back into place. Did that hurt? And it went back in?
Hurt.
Okay.
Just comfort.
Okay.
Yeah, no shame.
Okay. Drop that arm for me. There you go. Just like that. Okay. That was all right? Okay. How's that at the end range? How does that feel?
Good.
Okay. That was all right?
Don't want to go past that point.
Oh, yeah, for sure. I ain't gonna hurt you. Cut it. Cut it for a second. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna check out the neck, okay? So now you lift your head a little bit and then scoot back towards me. There you go, right there.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Give me a deep breath after that one. That was a big, that was a big one.
You grab babies here.
Uh-oh.
I got you. I'm gonna get you right over.
Wow. That was great.
Yes, sir. I appreciate that. I'm gonna give you a little neck stretch, okay? This may be a little new. It ain't gonna hurt. It's just a little stretch, okay?
All right.
Switch you up this way. There you go. Actually, I'll have you right there. Sorry. Yeah, you pretty much done. After, I'm not gonna get you up real quick. Just give me a deep breath. But after, I'm gonna have you sit toward the edge, okay? And I'm gonna kind of mobilize those shoulders just a little bit. All right. And, I'm gonna have you towards the edge.
Go get me your gift.
Man.
That felt all right to your shoulder?
Yeah.
Okay. What about this one?
Good.
All right, cool. Just trying to make sure it's in that joint. Correct, you can mobilize.
Get some Papa. Come here, let me see.
You cut it. You cut it for a second.
Why don't you give some like, maybe I want you finish.
She good. She good.
I thought it'd been authentic.
Oh yeah. Oh okay. You want him to capture that? Hey, go ahead. Keep getting it. Keep getting it.
Huh? You good?
Well, look at the gift. It's so beautiful.
Let me see, Papa. Get Papa. Get Papa. Get. Oh, look at that. You got Papa. That's me right there. Oh, wow. So your pictures is me and you? A whole book of just me and you?
She thought, yeah.
Let Papa finish looking at it.
Let me look at my pictures. Can I look at my pictures first? Yes, I do. Oh, look at that. That was your birthday party. Oh, that was the other birthday. We did at the spring. And that was your first birthday party. There you go, your birthday party. So that's when you was baby. Both of you laugh. Oh yeah.
And that's baby too. That's me again.
That's you again? From the bed. Oh, that's me eating pizza together.
Yeah. Oh, that's me too.
What? Oh, that's with the airport.
That's me. Over there.
I haven't won this picture. You got it clearly.
Oh, well, yeah.
Yes. Give it to me, please. Let's see. Oh, look at that right there.
Bless you.
You Pee? Oh, thank you. You got one?
Yeah.
You want to ask Mr. Mike to give him one? You want to give him one?
I can have one. Can I have one?
Tim?
Thank you.
Oh,
There you go.
this is the
Thank
best
you.
gift ever.
Isn't it the best?
Mm-hmm. 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 Man, feel.
Look at this, man. That's what I'm talking about, brother.
Ready to go, baby.
I'm happy to help.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this, man.